Hello everyone! Today I want to tell you how to decorate simple items. This blouse is very simple. It's made of silk, there's a belt on the neckline, there's also a slit and a button on the back, and a cuff with a button on the sleeves. This blouse is very simple, so I have a decoration for it. I've decided to shoot this video because I think that the idea our tailors have come up with is amazing. A customer asked us to cut the fabric in such a way that this flower is on a chest. Because of that, there was a 35 cm wide piece of fabric left after cutting. She said that she'd better buy some more fabric for sleeves. Now I want to tell and to show you how to decorate this blouse. I want you to understand that the technique can be applied to other items too. Dresses, for example. This is kind of a necktie. I know that it's not clear for you yet how to tie it, but I'll show you everything. Have a look at this edge. We folded and stitched about 5 cm. You need to make some kind of a loop. The width of this piece of fabric is about 70 cm when it's folded in half. This side is 35 cm wide. We've cut the detail this way, making it round. Of course, this detail is doubled. It was tacked, stitched, ironed, and then turned out. I was stunned by the detail our tailors have made, so I've decided to show it to you too. Now I'll show you how to wear such decoration. Of course, it looks differently. Notice how this detail should be put on. What do I need to do next? I need to pull one of the angles through the loop. Have a look at it. One angle is in the loop, and the rest of the detail looks like some kind of a scarf. I think that it looks amazing. I can pull this angle even further. It also looks good this way. I can also turn it this way, closer to the shoulder. Or even this way. Amazing. I can also pull the whole detail through the loop. I can wear it like a real necktie too. Very nice. You can wear it any way you like, more like a scarf or more like a necktie. I think that this decoration is amazing. Make sure that it looks beautiful. I've decided to show it for you to understand that you can use even a small piece of fabric to make some interesting details. This detail looks very strange separately, but it looks amazing with the blouse. This side is as wide as the fabric was. This side is 35 cm wide. This side is about 30 cm wide. Have a look here. This side is 35 cm wide and this 30. Now you know that such a strange detail can look amazing together with a blouse. I strongly recommend making such simple but interesting decorations. I wasn't planning to show you this blouse, but this detail has completely changed my plans. Call it however you like: bow, scarf or necktie. Let's be different and beautiful every day. Let's make such simple details to decorate the items we make. Use your imagination. Don't be afraid of experiments. My name is Irina. Subscribe to my channel and write the comments. Goodbye.